Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get water in Subnautica. The first thing I want you to do is climb out of your escape pod, and I want you to just dive into the water. What we will be doing now is looking for a specific type of fish, and that is actually the bladder fish. So I want you to go ahead and swim around until you find that fish. It is usually pretty abundant, and this is it right here. As you can see, it is this color. So I want you to swim up to it, and I want you to go ahead and click on it. And after that, once you have captured it, I want you to go ahead and make your way back to your pod. So we have our pod right here. We're going to swim back to it, and then we're going to climb back in. So here, I want you to come here, click on climb ladder, and you will be still holding it. And then I want you to go ahead and board your escape pod. Now once you have this, I want you to go ahead and come to the fabricator, left click on it, and click here on sustenance, and then here you'll see water. So click on that, and then you can get filtered water. So I want you to craft this. Just go ahead and click on that, and here you have your water. So what you need to do now is go ahead and drink that water. So the way you go ahead and do that, you just come here, open your storage container. The way you go ahead and do that, you press tab on your keyboard to go ahead and open up your inventory, and then here you'll see filtered water. I want you to left click on it to consume, and as you can see, our water level has increased. Really that easy, and that is how to get water in Subnautica. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.